Hello internet friends, it's been a long while since I updated you on the hashtag we will regrow. I guess I've been kind of just putting it off because I'm just gonna be blatantly honest. I hate my short hair. I know there's a lot of people who've complimented me on it. I know my grandmother absolutely loves it. Thank you, Grandma. But unfortunately, I hate it. So I've been doing my best. I don't regret cutting it. I think it needed to be done. I think, you know, to achieve the goals that I wanted, I'm still happy I did it. I just think me and short hair, we don't go together. So I think it's absolutely hideous, and that's why I don't show you and I don't really want to update you. But to stay, what's the word I'm looking for? To stay consistent and to, you know, keep up with actually showing you how the updates are going, it's time for another hashtag we will regrow update. So this is my lovely mop of hair right now. I really kind of do look like a mop. I really don't know what to say about it. It is growing quite well. I have to give it that. I wish it would grow more, but that's just me being super greedy when it comes to my hair growth. It's doing really good. I don't have any complaints about it. It feels really healthy. It feels really soft. I still don't know how to style it or shit. Excuse my language, Grandma. So yeah, I think if I could maybe learn how to actually do something with it, that would be great. I know someone told me that I should go kind of get it cut and styled, and I'm not really sure. Would that kind of break the rules of regrowing if I were to cut it? But at the same time, I don't want a short haircut, so, you know, it's a bit, you know, bittersweet here. Like, you can cut it so you can style it and make it look better, but if I cut it, then it's not going to be as long as it is now, and we're going to have to regrow it again. So I'm kind of debating that one because I really don't know what I should be doing with it. I found that it looks great with headbands. It looks great under my toque. It also looks great hidden by my wig. And I think this is really cute. We were at work the other day and we had a special event and they gave us a cute little flower crown. So it kind of works with that too. So we're finding little tips and tricks on how to, you know, cover up the fact that I have a haircut that I absolutely hate, but it's growing really good. I can't complain. So I say that and I just spent the last 2.5 minutes complaining to you guys about how it's an ugly haircut, but I hate it. I still don't regret it, and we're gonna make it through it. And it's doing very well. That's really the update that I have for you. I just wanted to check in so you know that we're going strong. It's going good, just very slowly. These things take time and I'm not a patient person at all. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for, see? Yeah. Thanks for checking in with me on this update, and I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully in a couple of months, and hopefully by then maybe we'll learn how to have done something with it. I think I said that in my last update and that clearly didn't happen, but there's always potential that it'll happen in the next one. So thanks for checking in, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.